Hi, Rick Lasalvas here. I'm going to share how to clone a Git repo in AI Studio. First thing you need to do is create a project. Once you do that, you land on this screen here. And what you can do is you can go to Setup and Documentation, Setup, and then Clone Git Repository. At this point, you can bring in the endpoint that's required from your Git repo. You can copy and paste that here. And then you can pick the local folder where you would like to clone that repository. In this case, I've actually cloned this before. So when I go ahead and connect it to this particular project, it's going to say, hey, you already have this on your local machine, and we're not going to clone it again. We're just going to update it, and you're good to go for your project. When you start up the workspace, this will come in as a sidecar and become available in your notebook.